Fun with Elijah and Elliott. Subscribe!
Welcome, welcome, welcome! So guys, we are back. And today we're going to do a review on this new magnet building block. It's called MAGFUN Cuboid by Elliott.
I'm gonna give this CD much, but I'm building a truck right now.
So Elijah's building a truck. Is it going to be a monster truck?
We'll see.
Okay, we'll see.
Open your eyes.
Wow, can you tell us what you built here?
I built a truck.
A truck, wow. Is that a house?
Look, a broken car too.
A broken car. Wow, where's the front of the truck, Eli?
This is the driver's seat, and this is the passenger seat. And this is the broken car, and this is where you get out from.
Wow, okay. Don't you think that looks beautiful, guys? I think so. Wow, let's see what Lottie's over here building. Can we see Ellie? Oh my goodness, that looked like a giant house.
No.
What color are you using, Elliott?
Red.
Red and? Yeah. Let's do a challenge. Who can build the highest tower?
Yeah.
Who do you think will win? Is it going to be Elijah or Elliott? Lottie says it's going to be him. How about you, Eli?
Me.
Okay, let's see. Look how easy those stick together, guys. What is that? A huge tower.
That's a huge mansion.
What is this, Elliott? Oh no! Good job, guys. Good job.
Look at mine.
Beautiful. Wow. Wow.
I'm gonna add more. Guys, these blocks are magnets, but look, guys. They broke. And look again. Look, again. It didn't even broke.
Yeah.
It broke now. That's a huge house.
That is a huge house.
Guys, look. They're glitched. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.